Ross Dyson here with Solar Tech Elec. We're out here today in Naples at Ankrolab Brewery. We've got 224 panels amounting up to over 130 kilowatts worth of system. We paired that with end-phase, three-phase microinverters so that the client can actually monitor each and every individual panel, which comes with a 25-year warranty. This brewery is already generating 700 kilowatt hours a day. That's the equivalent to about $4,000 worth of electric per month. Brewers use so much power with all the equipment that they use, and we managed to get these guys about an 80% offset by going solar. We're powering food trucks, we're powering beer, we've got $55,000 worth of savings coming in year one. As you can see as well, the meter is actually spinning backwards, which means that Ankrolab Brewery is actually racking up credits to eliminate their power bill. Now's the time to go solar with the 40% tax credit, because that is actually going to expire at the end of 2026 for commercial projects. Another 5-star happy client here in Naples. If you're considering going solar, give us a shout today.